So, ito, for example natin, ito yung commission natin for, ayan, example is July na month. Ayan, July 1 pa to July 31, 2024. So, yung total commission niya is 2,717.03, I mean. Ayan. And may withholding tax. Yan. So, standard yan, 10% yung withholding tax na kinakaltas. Or you can consider this as advance tax payment yun na din because they will provide you with 2307. Again, if ever may mga nag-withhold ng payment sa inyo, kailangan nila mag-provide ng 2307 so that makiklaim nyo yun as advance or tax credits ninyo. So, in this example, yung withholding tax natin is 271.70. So, ililess yan doon sa inyong gross commission. So, yung final amount na matatanggap ninyo is 2,445.33. So, ito yung matatanggap nyo sa inyong bank na dinesignate nyo. For example, BDO, yung bank nyo, or pwede din doon sa inyong wallet mismo yung matatanggap itong amount na ito. Sales invoice number 1. So, ito yung i-record natin. So, sa pag-record niyan, kailangan natin i-debit yung accounts receivable because hindi pa natin natatanggap yung cash itself. So, i-remit pa yan ni Lazada. So, yung amount niyan is 2,445.33. That is, ano na yan, yung net na matatanggap natin because may, yun nga, yung na-mention natin kanina, may creditable withholding tax tayo. So, this is an asset. So, debit nyo yan. And this will be part ng tax credits nyo or payments if you will compute na yung income tax return ninyo. So, again, yung may 2307 to nakaakibat. So, yung amount yan is 271.70. So, yung gross commission natin na revenue is 2,717.03. So, ito yung gross natin. So, ito yung taxable natin sa pag-compute ng ating sales, I mean, yung income tax return ninyo. Ito yung gagamitin nyo. Ito yung ilalagay nyo dun sa inyong gross sales, receipts, and fees. Itong commission, yung gross. So, yun yung first transaction natin, yung pag-record natin ng ating invoice is accounts receivable because wala pa tayong natatanggap na cash.